Hello guys, welcome back to Flipcraft Gamer. Today's video is for the beginners in YouTube. Even I am a beginner too. Today I'm gonna show you how to put your thumbnail images for your YouTube videos without losing picture quality and by reducing size. I'm putting this video because while you add thumbnail to your YouTube video, the size of the picture should be less than 2 megabytes. So when you are making a picture less than 2 megabytes on your own, you probably get a very low quality thumbnail image. So I'm showing you how to reduce size of your thumbnail image without losing picture quality. Before going to the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you could get notified by my latest gaming and tech videos. So let's get started. So the application we use here is the Lite Photo app. You can get it in the Play Store and install it. I've already installed it and I'm showing this to make sure you get the right app that I'm talking about. Okay, here is the app. Install it. Open the app, you will get an interface like this. There will be three options: compress photos, resize photos and crop photos. Click the first, that is compress photos, which will lead you to the images in your phone showing their size and resolution. You can select single or multiple images from here. I'm selecting an image and click the tick button above. Here the app asks you to set your picture quality and size. I prefer you don't need to adjust anything. Let it be the app as the app does and click the start compressing button. Here we go. You can see here the size of the image has reduced from 3 MB to 146 KB and still has the same quality. You can easily use this thumbnail on your YouTube video. So that's it. I hope you like this video and please like and share, and once more, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.